Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining me on a Sunday. I'm Miss Ivy. All right, Miss Shirley is not able to take the class today, so I'm helping her with this class. So you can call me Miss Ivy. All right, Miss Ivy, IVY, 3 letters only. All right, could I get everybody to turn on your camera, please? Grace Yan Kai. Now, Hong Ye, welcome to the class today. Hong Ye, very warm welcome to you. All right. So, for my class, it's very simple. You will try. Now, if you're not sure of the answer, just try. Just make a guess, or you can just type into the chat. I don't know. I'm not so sure. All right. Now, if you don't understand anything that I'm explaining, please don't keep quiet. You must type into the chat. I don't understand, so that I can help you. Is it okay? Right? So don't suffer in silence. If you don't understand, just type in the chat that I don't understand. I'll be very happy to help you. All right, Yan Kai, are you able to turn on your camera, please? So I have 5 people. Let me just make sure I've taken, I'm waiting for 3 more, but it's okay. You are very good, very punctual. So I hope you enjoyed the plant song just now. Do you enjoy it? Do you enjoy the song? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we'll be playing the game. Catherine, do y'all usually play game in the middle of the lesson? Where is Catherine? Okay, yes. Miss Ivy usually plays games in my class at the end of the lesson. All right, so we will play Kahoot instead. Is that okay? Right, thank you. Right, so let me share today's slides. Okay, let me just click share first. Right. Yes, today we are doing a revision on plant system. Okay, a very easy topic. Now, it is a very easy topic, but it is also an easy topic to lose a lot of marks. All right, so be very careful with the words that you choose to use when you are answering the question. Okay, now, just a quick run through of the rules. So please make sure you mute your microphone. All right, then only use the chat. All right, so if feel free to use a chat to ask a question. Feel free to type into the chat. I don't understand. It's okay. There's nothing shameful about not understanding. It's only shameful when you keep quiet. All right. It's only shameful when you don't understand and yet you keep quiet. That I cannot help you. So you must be brave enough to type into the chat. I don't understand so that I can help you. Okay. So let's be respectful to each other. All right. So any questions you have, please feel free to type into the chat. All right. Let's move on. Now this is a National Day promotion. All right. So do share the 88 tuition um 88 tuition classes with your friends. Let me admit one more. Okay. And mark this person's attendance. Well, hello, Safia. Is it? Let me see. Trying to look for your name. The person who just came in, may I know your name? Oh, okay, I can find your name already. Okay, welcome, Safia. Okay, I'm Miss Ivy. Miss Shirley is not able to take the class. All right, so I'm Miss Ivy. Okay. Now, I'm talking about the National Day promotion. Now, your parents should have received an SMS from 88 Tuition. All right, so in the SMS message to your parent, every one of you will have your own special referral code. All right, so your referral code is a 4-character referral code. So all you need to do is you will pass your friend the WhatsApp number and then give them your referral code. The referral code is a number that is sent to your parents' handphone through SMS. Then your friend or family that you shared with will get 1 free live lesson. And then if they choose to subscribe after the class, they will have 25% off their first month. And what about you? You yourself also 25% off your next month if they choose to subscribe after the free lesson. All right. So 88 Tuition has lessons all the way from primary 3, primary 4, primary 5, primary 6, secondary 1, secondary 2. Next year, we will have set 3 in 2024. Okay. All right, so do share with your family and friends because sharing is caring. Okay, let's go on. All right. Now, for this topic, right, you need to be able to identify. All right, identify means you must be, if I give you a picture, you must be able to name the different parts of the plant. So we have roots, we have stem, we have leaves. All right, now all these 3 are what we call anybody knows what is this? They are all called I give you a clue. Like in the human body, we have heart, we have lung, we have liver, we have kidney. What are all these called? Heart, lungs, kidney, liver. Good job, Catherine. Starting with O, heart, liver, kidney. All right, they are all our organ. All right, so they are all our organ. Okay, plants also have organs. So plants' organs are roots, stems, and leaves. All right, so please remember the important organs of a plant: the roots, the stem, and the leaves. So plants also have organs. Okay, human beings have organs. All of us have organs. Our heart, our kidney, our liver, our organs are so important to us. Okay, now in primary 5, you will learn other things like food carrying tube and water carrying tube. All right, so this will be introduced in primary 5. All right, but for primary 4, we will just focus on the organs of the plant, the different parts of the plant. Okay, so root is an organ, stem is an organ, leaves is an organ. Okay, and we need to know the function of these organs. Okay, now this is just a quick concept map. So the roots will hold the plant firmly to the ground. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Actually, there should be another word, minerals. All right, a S here. Okay. Now, if you cannot spell absorb, do you know what word to use? You can write take. Very good. Take in. Okay. So if you cannot spell absorb, just write take in the roots, take in water and minerals. Now, how do you memorize water and minerals? I'll give you a tip. Can you see my finger? Look at my finger. What letter is this? I'm sticking 3 fingers up into the air. Can you type into the chat? Good job, W. So you have a W if you stick 3 fingers. Now I turn my 3 fingers upside down. What letter is this?
M.
Very good. So we have W and M. That will help you remember water and minerals. All right, so water plus minerals. Now you can either write minerals or you can write mineral salts. It's both accepted. Okay, so roots will absorb water, roots will absorb minerals or mineral salt. So remember your 3 fingers sticking out, water, upside down W is M. All right, okay, so that is on roots. Okay, so roots got 2 functions. It hold the plant firmly to the ground. All right, so that when the wind is blowing, right, the plant will not fall off. The plant will not topple. You know, recently, have you visited Botanic Garden? Who has visited Singapore Botanical Gardens before? Have you gone to Singapore Botanical Gardens? No one? Nobody has gone to Botanic Gardens before?
I have.
Oh, thank you for sharing. All right. Now, actually, recently, I think a few years ago, there was a family who was having a picnic under a huge tree in Botanic Gardens. All right. But that one of the trees, right, actually toppled, all right, and fell onto this lady. So this poor lady actually, lost her life. All right. Because the tree is so heavy. So it's a very sad story, sad true story. All right, so we really depend on the roots to hold the plant firmly to the ground. All right, so the roots help to keep the plant firmly to the ground, hold the plant firmly to the ground so that the plant will not topple. Okay, then we move on to the next organ of the plant, the stem. Now, stem start with S. You can remember it by S and S, support. So stem support the plant upright. All right. Do you know why the plant wants to grow taller and taller? Everybody type in the chat what you think. Why do you think trees like to grow taller and taller? Why? Why don't trees like to be short? Why do trees like to grow taller and taller? Can y'all type in the chat? Good job, Grace. The rest, it's okay to give me wrong answer. We are all here to learn from each other. There is no stupid answer in Miss Ivy's class. So all answers are respected. All right, so why do you think trees like to grow taller and taller? Even human beings, we all like to grow taller, right? Everyone wants to be tall, right? That's interesting. If I pronounce your name wrongly, do let me know. Is it called Raghu? Raghu says that so that trees can give shade to tourists. All right, Raghu is a very kind person, so she's thinking about the perspective of tourists, perspective of people. All right. Now, good try, but that's not the reason. All right, trees, they want to grow taller because they want to reach more sunlight. Right, they want to reach more sunlight. If you grow taller, if you're too short, right, you might get blocked by other trees. Then you don't get to receive so much sunlight. So sunlight is very important to a plant. All right, plants need sunlight to make food. If not, without sunlight, plants cannot make their own food. Plants will be very hungry and die. Okay, so plants need sunlight to make food. All right, so the stem help to support the plant, right? So that the plant can grow taller and taller upright and then reach more to receive more sunlight. Okay, next organ is the leaves. Now leaves make food. Okay, for the plant. And another function is leaves are for gas exchange. All right. Can you tell me which part of your body does gas exchange? Which part of the human body does gas exchange? Can you type into the chat, please? Which part of the human body does gas exchange? Good job, Grace. All right. So the leaves, right? This is the leaves in the plant. It will be like the lungs. Okay, it's okay, Raghu. All right, it's the lungs in the human. All right, so the leaves will do gas exchange. So they exchange gases with who? They don't exchange gases with Santa Claus, right? They exchange gases with the surroundings. All right, with the surroundings. So lungs, right, also do gas exchange. Okay, so what is gas exchange? That means the leaves, you know the leaves, if I draw a leaves here, I draw the vein. They have a lot of tiny holes, all right, tiny openings, right? So these are the tiny openings. Anybody know what is a special name for this on the leaves? Anyone know that start with S? Wow, very, very intelligent. Stomata. All right, one stoma, many stomata. All right, one stoma, many stomata. So if you cannot spell stomata, don't worry. In PSLE, they accept tiny openings. All right, now whatever you learn in science in primary 3, primary 4, primary 5, you will be tested in primary 6 PSLE. So make sure you keep your science knowledge from primary 3, primary 4, primary 5, and primary 6. All the topics will be tested in primary 6 PSLE exam, right? And you all should be able to do well in science. I'm sure you will do well. All right, so if you cannot spell stomata, just write tiny openings. So there are tiny openings on the leaves, and these tiny openings allows for gas exchange. So some gas will go in, some gas will come out. All right, so gas exchange. Okay, what gas goes in, what gas comes out? It depends on what process you're talking about. Are you talking about the plant making food photosynthesis, or are you talking about the plant doing respiration? Right, respiration must take place 24 hours a day. All living things. Right now, Miss Ivy is doing respiration right now. If not, I'm dead already. All of you are doing respiration right now, 24 hours a day. Even when you're sleeping, you are also doing respiration. So all of us are doing respiration. So gas exchange will be for photosynthesis, right? Photosynthesis, as well as for respiration. All right, respiration. I break it up so that you can learn your spelling. Respiration, photosynthesis, sister, like sis, sounds like sister. All right, so what gases go into the leaves? What gases come out from the leaves? It depends whether you're talking about photosynthesis or talking about respiration. All right, now can y'all guys, boys and girls, tell me photosynthesis, what does the plant take in? What gas does the plant take in? For photosynthesis. Then you got mixed up. Okay. Let me maybe do respiration first. Respiration is just like us human beings. What is the gas that human beings need? Respiration is for all living things, for human beings, for plants. So respiration, what gas does your body need right now? Can everybody type in the chat, what gas does your body need now? You know, when you go hospital, let's say, oh, you're out of breath. You know, some people fall very sick and then, you know, they really had COVID. They are out of breath, then they breathe in, breathe out very fast. So the hospital doctors will give them a what? What kind of mask do they put over your mouth? Yes, they give you oxygen mask, right? Okay, if you're out of breath, right? Okay, you're not feeling well, you're really breathing in very deeply, breathing out